Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Cherdak. One question that I get asked very often by patients is, Doctor, do I really need surgery? And sometimes the answer to that question is yes, but very often there's another alternative that patients should consider first, and that's stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine. Sometimes patients have no choice but to seek surgery, and certain cases that absolutely require surgical intervention would be cases of severe instability, degenerative arthritis that's so bad that it's starting to deform the bones, or if there's a tissue rupture, like if you have a ruptured Achilles tendon, or if you have a ruptured ligament or a ruptured tendon that's completely severed, that's something that needs a surgical intervention in order to repair. But for many other orthopedic conditions, including even severe degenerative arthritis, stem cell therapy can provide a great option. With stem cell therapy, you don't have to have surgery, so obviously there's no cutting into your body. There's no taking pieces out of the body, so there's no joint removal. You're going to maintain the same anatomy that you always had, and there's very minimal downtime. So when we do the procedure, after the procedure is over, we want you moving around that joint or body area right away. And obviously there's no long rehabilitation afterwards. Also, there's no hardware in the body, as is the case with joint replacement surgeries. One thing that is also another advantage of having stem cell therapy over surgery is scar tissue. So when you have a surgery, particularly in the shoulder and in the knee and in the hip, and in the neck as well, when you have a surgical intervention, you're going to wind up with scar tissue that's really going to drop the range of motion. So after these surgeries, people report that they just never have the same range of motion again that they once had. And so with stem cell therapy, you don't have any of that scarring, so you're able to maintain and sometimes even improve the range of motion that you've already had. Another thing that we're able to do with stem cell therapy is custom tailor the protocol for each individual patient for their each individual condition. So for example, we can use a patient's own stem cells, we can use umbilical cord-derived stem cells, a combination of either one of those two things, along with PRP and in some cases exosomes that really produce a much more profound effect than stem cells by themselves. Not everybody's going to be a candidate for stem cell therapy, and some people are going to have no choice but to progress onto surgery. Our goal is to see if the interventions that we provide can provide a meaningful improvement in the condition before progressing to more interventional procedures like surgery. So if you're suffering from degenerative arthritis, a torn ligament, a torn tendon, a torn labrum, meniscus injury to your knee, or any of these chronic issues, or even if it's an acute injury and you just want better healing, please reach out to us by going to the bottom of the description of this video, clicking on the link that'll take you to our homepage where you can request a free consultation, and our patient coordinators will answer any of the questions that you have. We look forward to hearing from you.